We're doing a video, like a get ready video, like a duet on makeup. So us getting ready and doing our makeup, and it is presenting Nika Gritty. Hi people. Hello. Yeah, so make sure you tune into the Nika Beauty to check her hair out.
It's recording. Yeah, we look at her mirrors. Don't worry. Give me a minute. So do my eyebrows right now.
You know that jealous shit is a real sickness. Oh, I get it. You don't like the way I spit. Like how I be shining because these diamonds, they be hitting me up. When we was broke, you bitches still couldn't fuck with us. And now you really hating on me since I leveled up. Max, I went from the Monty to the Benz. And you gotta buzz the gate just to get into my crib. And I'm running up a big bag.
Niggas funny.
I guess I keep it
They're all funny. Playing with our feelings. But I'm single, so I can't relate.
Me too.
Yeah, we're both single, but yeah, there's no reason for it. We're actually good girls, right? We're just making this money.
Oh, the other day when I was,
Money.
he was like, why you gotta cross on the back of your neck like you're some holy girl? I was like, I am.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Like, hell yeah, I'm holy. Holy moly.
No.
Like, I'm holy
God.
moly. That's crazy.
Okay, here's Cordy.
Cardi B, girl. So, our eyebrows are all done. This is my eyebrows, what it look like. Nika, show your eyebrows. Her eyebrows is also done, but she's gonna show you. She's doing her. What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to do a cut crease.
Okay, look at her eyebrows. Look at her
Eyebrows.
Yeah. She's back. Mama needs some huge money. Prada bags and huge money, man. New niggas gonna do it for me. Yeah, hope you guys got comment. I'm a boss in the skirt. I'm a boss on the truck. I'm a boss when I truck. I wear off-white truck. I'ma make the picture sweat with the Bible Jesus Christ. I come out and sing, yes. So good that his eyes go back. Shorty say so hers, while his thighs don't match. That's my part. That's my song. Now we're doing the highlight for the face.
What brush? Do you like a brush?
But it's fashionable fit. I use MAC makeup in color right here, shade. Yeah. She actually used she used True Match. I use MAC. Yeah. Eyebrows done, face almost done. Highlight. So now we're gonna highlight. I already put my contour, my highlight.
Alright, right now. Okay. These are bitches. These are some boss bitch shoes.
After record says. And I was like, niggas that been in and out of jail. My little 15 minutes lasts so long as hell. Makeup, make sure your hair is already done. If you can tell, I already have my edges all done. If he can make you rich and he can make you come. That's true.
Oh my god. I cannot.
That is true.
I don't know. I can't relate.
I can relate. Even though I'm single. But I can relate. Natural looking makeup. So what I really do is just this. It's called BC, but it really is from Marshalls. It was like $2. But it have all of the natural colors that I'm looking for. It really only have natural tone color. Just something that defines
Oh my God, bro, I gotta hurry up because I gotta do my hair. You ain't even gotta do your hair.
No, my hair is already done, girl.
Exactly.
So yes, I don't do bright colors. And she also did the natural looking. She also have the gold. She used this right here.
Yeah.
Right? Yes, you did. But her makeup is a very expensive kind. It is Maybelline.
No.
Oh my God, let me show you. It's what it look like. And she used the gold, so yeah. And then for her highlights, like the little contour thing, she used Anastasia. I think I say it right? Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself.
Brushes.
Her name is actually Nika, so you might think I'm saying the N-word, but I'm really not. It's just Nika, like N-I-K. Does everyone think that you said the N-word? I'm like, no, I'm not. I have a YouTube channel so y'all can check it out. What is it called?
I don't know. I think it's Nika Grady.
Her website is Nika Grady, N-I-K-A Grady, G-R-A-D-Y. That is her YouTube channel, and she can DIY anything you can think of. And if you also want a custom-made swimsuit, she's your girl, because she actually custom-made swimsuit. So if you want to look bougie and bad,
Bougie and bad,
go to her channel, because she can make you whatever you need. Well, both of us are doing a very natural look. We do have some days where we go very extra exotic, but today we're kind of in a hurry because we're late for everything, so don't want to wear lipstick, so I'm going to go just a lip gloss. Are you going to wear lipstick?
put a gloss on.
Yeah, we're going to go gloss today. But I want that extra shine right here because I'm extra like everybody else. So I use this for my bronzer. And this literally, it said bronzer on it. I got this from Walgreens in the hair.
I need two things.
Okay, our makeup is all done. This is the finished look. So, Nika, this is her look.
Cute or not?
What do you think? If you guys like it, make sure you leave a comment below. And just comment and I'm going to reply to whatever you guys. So this is our makeup. Up close look. And this is your makeup. This is all her natural hair right here. Natural. Mine too is natural, but it's a wig or whatnot, but it's still. Yeah, but yeah, we're all done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on social media. Henricka Beauty for everything. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever it is. And hers is Nika Grady. So yes.
Nika Grady.
So follow us. Thank you guys.
Thank you.